Hi everyone, welcome back again to YouTube channel. Hope you subscribe my channel. If not, so just do it now. So guys, today I like to show you how easily you can make your pen drive bootable using a simple method. So the method is nothing but using command prompt. This is really nice and easy way to make your pen drive bootable. So first make sure your pen drive is totally empty, because when you try to make your pen drive bootable, your pen drive will be formatted. That's why I recommend you make your pen drive totally empty, otherwise you lose your data. Second, make sure you collect your Windows file. If you like to set up Windows 8 or 10 or 7, then make sure you collect those Windows file. It will be ISO file, otherwise it will be normal file. So for this tutorial I am using ISO file. Here you can see it. This is ISO file. I already downloaded it. So if you using ISO file, then you make sure you install 7-zip in your Windows or WinRAR in your Windows. After that, go to your search option. I'm using Windows 8. If you using Windows 7, then you need to go to your start menu and go to search option and type cmd. Here you can see this is command prompt. Then run it administrator. Just right click and select run as administrator. Okay, yes. Now it's time to typing the code. You can find all the code in my description below also. So first type dixpart. Okay, now type list dix. Here you can see my disk list is showing. My laptop is only connected 2 disks. One is my hard disk and second one is my pen drive. If my laptop is connected more disks, then my disk will be increased. Then type select disk 1. Here I am selecting disk 1 because my pen drive disk number is 1. If my pen drive disk number will 3, then I will type select disk 3. So make sure you select your pen drive disk number. So enter. After that, type clean. Okay, clean. Then type create partition primary. Okay, enter. Here you can see dixpart succeed in creating the specified partition. Now type format fs is equal to fat32 quick. Okay, enter. Here you can see it's 0% and now it's 100%. That's mean my pen drive is format. Now type active. Okay, and now type exit and again exit. So now my pen drive is bootable. It's totally empty. After doing this, go to your ISO file and right click, go to 7-zip. If you have normal Windows file, then just copy and paste in your pen drive. And if you have ISO file, then go to your ISO file, go to 7-zip or WinRAR and select extract file. Then select your pen drive location, pen drive. Okay, here is my pen drive D. Select. Okay. After selecting this, make sure you uncheck this box, because if you check this box, then your file will extract under this folder. So make sure you uncheck this. And if your ISO file is password protected, then type your password here and select OK. Here you can see my Windows file is transferring to my pen drive. Here you can see my file is transferring. So in this way you can easily make your pen drive bootable. So I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If so, give me a big thumbs up and mostly subscribe this channel for more upcoming video of this channel. And if you have any problem during bootable time, please comment below so that I can help you. So thank you for watching. Please stay safe and be happy.